Gardening is defined as the practice of cultivating and growing plants. It's a very healthy hobby and has many health benefits related to the mind and body. Gardening is a hobby that people of every age group can enjoy. It's also an excellent physical activity and has more prolonged effects. Gardening can save you from many health conditions, including stroke, heart problems, and type 2 diabetes. It also refreshes our mind and soul. According to research, it's the best way to vent your stress, anxiety, and depression. And remember the tasty fruits and vegetables produced by the plants you grow. If you're an expert at growing plants, you can use these hacks to make your work easy. Today in this video, we'll share some fantastic plant hacks and gardening gadgets. So hold your tools and get in the dust. Number 1. Hydrogen peroxide. Using hydrogen peroxide can help plants in growing. It also allows the root to rot by killing the bacteria and fungi in the soil and preventing many fungal diseases. It also helps the sprouts to grow by restoring oxygen. An extra molecule of oxygen allows the plant to produce more healthily. Number 2. Cooking water for plant fertilization. Not only is it cost effective, but also very healthy for your plant to grow. Keep that water away when you boil an egg or any vegetable. Once it cools down, pour the water into your plants instead of wasting it. It'll make the leaves shine and it will also provide fertilizer for them. Number 3. Check soil pH by yourself. You can check the pH of your plant's soil at home by using only baking soda and vinegar. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of mud and add half a cup of vinegar. If the mixture produces bubbles and becomes frizzy, the soil is alkaline. Take 2 tablespoons of soil in a bowl and add a small amount of distilled water to moisten it. Add half a cup of baking soda. If bubbles appear, the ground is acidic. Number 4. Orange peels as anti-pest. Using harmful chemicals and pesticides can damage the plant. To remove pests from the plants, use citrus orange peels. Place them in the pots. The chemical in citrus fruits is known as D-limonene and helps prevent ants and other insects in the soil. It also works as a fertilizer by decomposing itself later. Number 5. Honey for essential elements. Honey is one of the primary sources of essential elements for plants. It contains phosphorus, potassium, and nutrients like iron, calcium, and zinc. It also includes an enzyme that helps in root growth. That enzyme is also known as the root enzyme. It also aids plant cuttings in propagation and saves them from fungal infection. Number 6. Diaper to retain moisture. Diapers are non-biodegradable products, but they can still help in the growth of plants. To use them, take a diaper and place holes on the outside surface so that the extra water can be drained, and put them in the bottom of the pot and then pour soil over the layer of the diaper. Place your plants in the pot. It's a great way to retain moisture and it will also keep the plant fresh. Number 7. Rose plant with potatoes. You can propagate rose plants in potatoes. Potatoes help in keeping the roots and sprouts moist while they grow. Make a hole in the potato, take a rose cutting and cut it diagonally. Now dip the end of the rose cutting in fertilizer or hormone gel and place the plant inside the potato. Plant the potato about 4 inches under the ground. Water them properly. After a few weeks, the new rose bush will start growing. Also, you can use the leftover tea for the rose plant. Just save the leftover tea every day and mix it in the soil of the rose plant. The roses will grow bigger and brighter. Tea works as a good source of fertilizer. Number 8. Regrow a pineapple. It's possible to grow a pineapple in water, but some people also grow it in soil. Take a fresh pineapple with green leaves. Now cut the top crown and place it in a soil pot. Water it properly and it will start producing fruit in a few days. And it'll also look good. Number 9. Garden markers with stones. Stones and pebbles can be used as garden markers simply by painting them. They can be painted as vegetables and fruits or written text also. They can also be used as decor items for your house. Moreover, children will love to make them. Number 10. Log garden planter. If you have piles of logs, They can be used as a planter. Succulents or other small plants can be grown quickly in records. Take a natural wooden log and drill holes in the bottom of the log for water drainage. Pour soil and place your plants in it. Water it properly and see your beautiful log garden planter growing into a small, colourful garden. It will also make an excellent outdoor decoration piece. Number 11. Watering can from a detergent bottle or old plastic bottle. Need a watering can? No problem. Take an old big plastic detergent bottle and poke a few holes with the help of a hammer and nail. And there you have an easy watering can. You can also create this DIY water easily from an old plastic bottle. Just take a bottle and wash it properly. Now make a hole in the bottle's cap with the help of a hammer and a nail, and your DIY water can is ready. Number 12. Mini recycle bottle greenhouse. Take an old plastic bottle and wash it. Cut the top half of the bottle with scissors and add compost. Plant the seeds and water them. Fit the top half of the bottle on the bottom. Please keep it on a windowsill near sunlight and water it properly. Number 13. Self-watering wine bottle. Take an old wine bottle and fill it with water. Get terracotta and fit it with the wine bottle. Stick the bottle in the plant's soil. Gradually the terracotta will absorb water and slowly leak into the ground, making the plant's roots moist and healthy. Number 14. Ladder plant stand. You can use a simple ladder and hang pot plants from it. It will not only look fantastic, but will also provide more space in your garden for pots. It's straightforward to make, and it'll also add beauty to your garden. Take an old ladder made of wood or any other material, carefully insert a nail and hang your flower pots on it. Your hanging ladder plant stand is ready. Number 15. Plastic forks. It's a clever trick to keep animals away from your garden. Plant some plastic forks in the ground and see the magic. The forks must be sharp because animals get afraid of sharp objects. Forks also prevent squirrels and other pet animals from entering your garden. Number 16. Handmade sprinkler. A handmade sprinkler can be made from a plastic bottle. All you should do is take a simple plastic bottle and remove its sticker. Now make all holes around the bottle. Attach a water pipe to the opening of the bottle and place it in the garden and open the water source. Your handmade sprinkler is ready. Number 17. DIY heat mat. Plants need a soil temperature of about 21 to 26 degrees centigrade to grow. Various heat mats are available in markets but are super expensive. How about making one at home? Take a piece of wood and attach battery operated lights. Now you can quickly provide the heat that plants need without buying an expensive heat mat. Number 18. Shoe organizer as a vertical garden. An old shoe organizer in the corner of your house can be used cleverly and can be changed into vertical herbs and lettuce garden. Check if the pockets are deep and make holes if the water drains out from the corners of the bags. Add soil in the pockets and plant your favorite herbs and lettuce. Hang it somewhere in your garden and it'll take up very little space. Number 19. Cardboard to slash down weed. After planting new seeds, remember to place overlapping cardboard sheets. Pour a layer of soil or compost over them and leave for several weeks. The weeds will die automatically and be easy to pull out from the ground, and the earth will also become more affluent. The roots will penetrate the cardboard layer and grow if the cardboard is kept moist. Cardboard can also be added under the ground to provide organic matter to the soil and improve drainage and nutrient levels. These are some of the genius and easy hacks and gadgets that are very useful, and you can easily change your garden by using them. Thank you for watching till the end. You can do many fun things and grow your plants with a couple of simple DIY projects. Do you know more gardening genius hacks and gadget ideas? Or do you love gardening as a hobby? Or have you ever tried any DIY hacks for planting your garden? Could you share with us in the comments below? Remember to subscribe to our channel if you want us to create more fun and exciting videos like this. See you soon in the following video. Take care.